Welcome to Home Buffalo Osteopathic Wellness Medicine. I'm Dr. Kaplan. This is Jerry.
Hi.
And we're going to talk today about the benefits of prolotherapy for lower back problems. So, Jerry, you've had issues with your lower back for many, many years.
Right.
You actually had surgery at one point for your lower back. Just tell me a little bit about what you were feeling like when you first came to see me, what kind of problems you were having.
Okay. Well, I had a fusion before, and I was having problems again. I had another herniated disc, and my surgeon wanted to go in and put another fusion in. So, because of what I went through with the first one, I wanted to see if there was any alternatives. So, I went online.
What kind of pain were you having? What kind of problems were you having?
Oh, just terrible pain. Pain was going down my leg. It was awful pain, like I had the first time. It was very bad.
Okay.
So I was looking for some alternatives, and I came across Dr. Kaplan, and I thought it was worth coming in and talking to him to see what other options I had. So
Okay.
I came in. Dr. Kaplan explained what they did here, and that I was a good candidate for it. So we did the prolotherapy and gave it a try.
Yeah, so basically pain with walking, right? There was kind of a sharp pain down into the thigh, into the leg, difficulty putting weight on the leg,
Yes.
a lot of buttock and bad
hip,
back and hip pain.
I thought something actually was wrong with my hip at first, but it wasn't. It was the spine again.
So we took a look. We found that a lot of the ligaments around the back were actually stretched out. There was obviously some arthritis around the joints in the back. And usually the pain comes from this combination of stretched out ligaments and arthritic joints. And the discs kind of get caught in the middle. So the discs are not always the culprits, even though on the MRI they show up as the major players. So the strategy was to tighten up the ligaments, heal some of the joint issues around the spine. We did that a couple of times.
Yeah.
And then tell us how it kind of went for you. How did you feel afterwards?
Each time that he did it, my back felt better. It did take a little time. It wasn't an automatic recovery on it, but each time it felt better. And within a year, after several treatments, I felt great again, and I still feel good. I've had one more prolotherapy done as a maintenance, and I'll probably continue to do that maybe once a year because I avoided surgery and I have no more pain. So it was fabulous. It was really, really good.
Well, Jerry, I'm glad you did well with the procedure, and thank you so much for doing the interview with us.
You're welcome.
And here you go. So for anyone that's interested in trying to avoid surgery and get their back better through natural means, prolotherapy is the way to go. Look us up on homebuffalo.com, and thank you for joining us today. Take care.
Thank you.